Welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Today I'm taking you right to the streets of Lomé. Yes guys, I'm sharing one of my favorite Togolese street food recipe. Here are the ingredients we're going to need for today's recipe. Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner, je suis Kayi, j'espère que vous allez très bien, moi je vais super bien. Aujourd'hui je partage avec vous la recette de Pinon. Pinon, ce qu'on mange communément dans les rues de Lomé, et je vais partager avec vous comment vous aussi vous pouvez facilement réaliser ça. Donc je vous montre tous les ingrédients dont on aura besoin pour la recette d'aujourd'hui. Need some turkey, 1 onion, the lemon is to clean the turkey, 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, blended ginger, garlic and onion, some sweet peppers, you can mix it any color of your choice, some Gari, you can find this in any African food shop. The lemon is to clean the turkey properly before you add all the seasoning. Add fresh ginger, garlic and onions to 1 tin tomato and blend it. That is what we're going to add to the tomato puree to make our sauce. I'm going to add the blended ginger, it's all-purpose seasoning, and I'll add a little bit of salt. Now mix everything properly. Add the onions. And at this stage, cover your pot. After 5 minutes, I'm adding some water. Stir this nicely. I'm going to cook this for another 25 minutes. With the bell peppers, this is what I'm going to do with it. Add a little bit of oil, like 2 tablespoons. Let it heat up for 2 minutes, and after that you can add the bell peppers, onions, a little bit of salt and all-purpose seasoning. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes because you don't want it to be overcooked. So 3 to 4 minutes will be perfect. And then you just put it on the side. That's ready. You just need to cook it for 3 minutes. It's cooked, so I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes for the meat to cool down, and after that I will fry it. Add some cooking oil. These onions is just to add some extra flavor. Once it's at the right temperature, then I'll start frying the turkey. Remember, one thing with the Togolese cuisine is all about flavor and more flavor. You can start frying the meat once it has cooled down. We're going to make the Pinon. First, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil right now, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. Let it heat up 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the tomato puree and the blended tomato, ginger, garlic and onion. If after tasting it you notice it's a little bit sour because of the tomatoes, just add a little bit of bicarbonate and stir it gently. Now the sauce is ready, so you can use some of this for fried yam, fried plantains. And now I'm going to add the broth and a little bit of water. Try not to use too much oil. because when it comes to me, I'm very careful, so that's why I don't use lots of oil. I'm adding the broth now. Once it's boiled, then we're going to add the gari. So the process is very similar, like when you're making jollof rice, for example. This is quite the same process. So to make pinon, you do the exact same thing. Now just cover it up, and once it starts boiling, switch off the stove, let it cool down for a minute, and add the gari. Now it is good. Say, switch off the stove and let it rest for 1 minute before adding the gari, but make sure you're stirring it very quickly once you start pouring the gari in, so it's not lumpy. Right here is green pepper. I just add a little bit. You can use red pepper, is absolutely fine. So guys, you can use fresh fish, even lamb, so it's up to you what you want to pair your pinon with. Now everything is ready. I'm going to dive right into it. Of course, you guys are invited. You know, this is the time I say meet the noodle. So come and join me and let's enjoy this food. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If that is the case, please don't forget to like this video, share with family and friends, and most importantly, don't forget to give this recipe a try and comment below to let me know what you think. And I will see you in my next video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and make sure notification bell is on so you don't miss out on my videos. Ça c'est le piment vert, donc j'aime bien accompagner mon pinon avec du piment vert, mais vous pouvez aussi utiliser le piment rouge. Si vous voulez pas la dinde, vous pouvez bien sûr utiliser le poisson frais, la viande du mouton ou du bœuf pour accompagner le pinon aussi. Ça passe bien. Et voilà, c'est la fin de la vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé la recette d'aujourd'hui. Si c'est le cas, n'oubliez pas de liker, partager avec la famille et les amis. Et abonnez-vous aussi si c'est votre première fois sur ma chaîne. À très bientôt. Au revoir.